Hey everyone, I'm Gerald Sumianto from Baal 1A, and today I will ask you, what is environmental issue? Are you familiar with that? How can we avoid this kind of issue? Well, for your information guys, environmental issues are harmful effects of human activity on the biophysical environment. You know guys, it's very disappointed and it's sad to know that our country is still facing this kind of issue that might cause us from flash flood, landslide, you know. But you know guys, there are so many ways to avoid these issues, to cut these issues, and to start something new. I will show you some activities of not taking care of the environment, of not taking care of our mother nature. So the cutting of trees in a forest is called deforestation. Cutting trees can result in the loss of habitat for animal species, which can harm ecosystems. Improper waste disposal is the disposal of waste in a way that has negative consequences for the environment. Examples include littering, hazardous waste that is dumped into the ground, and not recycling items that should be recycled. So I know that those videos that I've showed was very common. So at this moment, I will show you an activities that is very useful and helpful to us of showing our love to our mother nature. I will show you some ways, easy ways of loving and caring of our mother nature or our environment, right? It is important to take steps to ensure that the planet provides a healthy living environment for generations to come. Many environmental concerns need to be addressed in order to combat the biggest environmental threats. Taking steps towards more environmentally friendly living can have a positive impact on protecting the environment. Environmental protection is a practice of protecting the natural environment on the individual, organizational, or governmental levels for the benefit of both the environment and humans. As trees grow, they help stop climate change by removing carbon dioxide from the air, storing carbon in the trees and soil, and releasing oxygen in the atmosphere. Trees provide many benefits to us every day. We are only the solution of this problem. So guys, before I end this video, let me inform you that love our Mother Nature for our better future. That could be all, and thank you.